Yeah, my friend, one more way that you have to make some redirection of the traffic to your website is using Pinterest. Like I am using to make redirection to two websites that I have. Using with the Pinterest traffic. And to grow your Pinterest account, you have to choose some niche that had a good amount of followers, like fitness and beauty, lose weight, like men fashion, women fashion. And to grow in your account, you have to make about 2 pins every day using Canva, using Pixamatic, Pixabay, using the Photoshop, any of the platform that you can use some pictures, put your logo, your the description for the pin, and you can make the design, for example, different ways to lose, or different 10 tips to lose weight fast in 2 weeks, in 4 weeks. Something that the person like to read and going to make click. To make that design, you have to use dominant colors like red. Somebody uses light colors like brown. Sometimes all the women uses the pink, the white, and the red in her pin. They had good result for them. When you make the pin, you have to put your website URL, and then if the person is reading your pin, if they like it, they may click in the picture, and they redirect to your website. And I am getting about 600, 700 daily visits to my website from free traffic that is Pinterest. And I have about 8,000 followers now, and about 8,000 monthly viewers. But in my dashboard, they are increasing. It's about in 9,500. But this Pinterest put in your profile every week when they made the weekly check, and they put in your profile among the person that are your viewers and your followers. And I am using Tailwind as automatic tool that I make my monthly schedule. And Tailwind daily, you can schedule about 4, 5, 6 pins. You can be sleeping, you can be on vacation, you can be working in other thing, and Tailwind automatically going to make the post of your pins. And and this helped me to increase in one Pinterest account that I had about 204,000 monthly viewers and about 16,000 followers. 16,000 followers. And I improved in that account using Tailwind.